Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. 5, cancel this 5 by 5 is equal to 24 divide 1. Now 24 divide 1 is equal to also 24. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay? PEMDAS, PEMDAS. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Here is division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Is equal to 24. Now, according to KCF rule, K means keep this 24 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this fraction. 1 by 5 is equal to 5 by 1. Multiply 5. Okay. Now here is one multiplication and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. So 24 multiply 5 is equal to 120 multiply 5. Okay. Now 120 multiply 5 is equal to 600. So the correct answer is 600. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.